Hello, and welcome to our podcast. Today, we'll be teaching you about the mesencephalon, also known as the midbrain. Its main responsibilities are movement, motor movement to be specific, eye movement, auditory and visual processing, sleep regulation, and arousal, which is alertness, not the other kind of arousal. But the midbrain has three main parts to it. One part is the cerebral peduncles, the other is the caliculi, and finally we have the tegmentum. So the cerebral peduncles are basically bundles of fiber that act as connectors between the midbrain and cerebellum. It is rostral and caudal to the cerebrum, which is by the pons. It is mainly responsible for pain signals and behavioral responses. Moving on to the caliculi, there are two. They are both posterior of the midbrain and inferior to the thalamus. The two caliculi are the inferior and superior caliculi. The superior is responsible for vision, while the inferior is responsible for auditory. The messages are sent to the thalamus first, and then they're sent to the lobes to conduct their function. Lastly, the tegmentum. It is connected down to the brainstem and contains two major important areas. These areas are known as the red nucleus and periaqueductal gray. The nucleus is responsible for coordination and movements, while the periaqueductal is more a dense region of gray matter. It is responsible for suppressing pain and is involved in unconscious reflexes or movements. It is also, it stores 2 out of the 12 cranial nerves. But yeah, that is basically the midbrain summarized up. Hope you guys learned something new, and thank you for listening.